Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
At Pacific Jeans Limited, we blend nature's beauty with human skill to create apparels that mirror the elegance of our surroundings and our craftsmanship. Renowned for our state-of-the-art facility and skilled workforce, we stand as a beacon of excellence in apparel manufacturing.
Pacific Jeans' journey started in 1984. Our visionary leader, my father, late Mohammad Nasiruddin, he started the journey with only 2 lines. He was the first one to start making jeans in Bangladesh.
Pacific Jeans is committed to innovation, speed, quality, integrity, social and environmental sustainability.
Right now we have 13 production units, 35,000 individuals working with us, producing almost 40 million pieces of jeans every year, and we export to almost 50 countries. To achieve our goal, we are also diversifying our product range. We started our journey as a premium jeans manufacturer. Very soon we will also be starting our formal wear facility. We will be investing into vertical facilities, human resource, business process automation, the production process automation.
Beyond creating premium jeans, Pacific Jeans is committed to sustainable practices. We recognize the responsibility we hold towards the environment and future generations. Our dedication to sustainability extends throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring that we leave a positive impact on the planet. Our unwavering growth garners significant recognition through international certifications. Our sustainability goals are a testament to our responsibility towards the environment, our employees, and our customers. We aim to reduce our carbon footprint, minimize waste, and promote ethical and responsible manufacturing practices throughout our supply chain. For years, Pacific Jeans has been arranging free eye checkup campaigns for workers. Our priority lies in valuing the safety and needs of our prime asset, our workers. For this, we have introduced PACE, a groundbreaking factory program empowering female workers with essential skills and support for career and personal growth. Our dedicated research and development team continuously explores new horizons, ensuring that every pair of Pacific Jeans represents the epitome of fashion-forward thinking. Our strategic partnerships with esteemed fashion brands and retailers have fueled our growth and allowed us to reach new horizons.
Well, as my father started the journey, and now he is no longer with us, but we carry on his legacy. With that vision and with that spirit, all of us in Pacific Jeans, we are working hard to really make his dream come true and to carry his legacy forward.
Pacific Jeans has consistently maintained its exceptional record as the leading RMG industry exporter for the last 15 years. Pacific Jeans Limited is where passion meets fashion and excellence becomes a way of life. Join us on this journey that sets new standards in premium denim and leads the way to a stylish and sustainable future.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.